Are you there?
Here we are on our canal holiday, which Rose wanted to do. And we're with Roz, Peter and Jennifer, Alan Hall. Now we've just come through the tunnel, turned around. What? Okay, we're going back to the tunnel.
It's not a tunnel yet, it's a bridge. Huh?
There's a TARDIS, Doctor Who. We're in Lancashire.
Alright.
Going back towards Yorkshire level.
Yeah? Where's the cabin?
Okay, go through the boat.
Yeah. There's a little bed. And the rest of the crew. Alright, Howard wants me to take some in front.
Go quickly.
I thought it wasn't working.
Yeah, well, we just used the same tape.
Yes. Yes, go straight through. Yeah. Yeah, that's right, yeah. More speed.
We're going back through the tunnel.
Yeah.
It's a green light. Does that mean we can go?
Yes.
Okay. This is Ross and Jennifer taking a photo. Ooh, yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Slow down, honey, slow down. Ooh, we're in the wrong corner. Okay.
Let's get them over there. I can't get anything.
Yeah, it's a 1 mile tunnel, is it?
Yeah. I'll get the nice little bit.
Yeah, you can just see the other
It's
end.
dripping at the moment.
There's Alan. We're still alive. We're still alive.
Light. That could be. I thought it was Guinness Book of Records.
Hi, hon.
We did it. We made it.
We made it. Hey, who's that funny woman there? And there's the captain, and that's the tunnel where we just been through.
celebrate, you did it in a record time.
Right, okay.
Wow, wow,
Cheers.
wowee. My gosh.
So you can put Lisa's on. That's yours, Lisa.
Thank you, and that's for me. Thanks, Rose.
You're welcome.
Light's still on.
And that's a nice. Is this a swan or a duck, hun? Hun? We're mooring here, honey,
Yeah.
spend for a night?
Yeah.
That's Peter.
What are we stopping for, Howard?
Well, we're spending the evening here, I thought.
Oh, right.
And we've just had a little break and a couple of glasses of red wine and a chat. And we're heading down the river, and whilst the crew's working hard... Oh, who's this here? He's had a hard day's sailing. Hello, honey. Give a wave to the camera. Okay, we're off down the road. All aboard. Here we go. There we go. Lots of ducks and swans on this river. Really beautiful.
That is scurry.
We have to go through that narrow bit. Bridge number 147. Those these were built like 200, 250 years ago. All this canal dug by hand. And here I am at the front. This is my first time on the front. Whilst Alan is at the back steering. There he is. Captain Ahab. Just to go to show, we're just leaving Lancashire there, right? And we're back into Yorkshire. Good Yorkshire stock. He looks a bit like what's that actor in Jaws? Shaw, the blonde-headed guy. There's some little ducklings. Little pond skaters, aren't they? Another duck on the side. Maybe that's father duck. There's a little one.
That duckling's bigger than the other. Right. You may only just.
The Anchor Inn, almost our local pub. Angeles, here we are, at our destination for the night. We bridge the sharp bend and we moored just before it. That's our place for the night. So have a quick look round the corner. Ah, there's the front. And the village up there, and the humpback bridge. And you see there all the grooves and people coming over a little bit fast. Guilty as charged. I suspected you'd be in here supping a pint, Alan. Well, it'd be rude not to have one, wouldn't it?
Ah, yes, indeed.
Are you going to buy me a speckled hen or what?
What? You want me to buy you another round?
Oh, it's my round, is it?
Don't you have a turn?
Aye, didn't I see you ladies in Macbeth?
Do it when probably in the morning is better because we have the lipstick. Yeah.
When shall we three meet again? In thunder, lightning, or in rain? When the hurly-burly is done, when the battle's lost and won.
The scene.
Is this
Heath.
is this a dagger I see before me? What do you reckon, Peter?
I reckon that he did it very well because I did it 3 times at O level.
There you go.
Passed O level.
I failed English Lit O level. Hey, did you fail it as well? You failed English Lit O level?
Yeah.
Well, there's 3 of us here failed. We all failed it.
Yeah.
I got RSA.
I'm good at the tailor.
Hey, you get RSA with bloody 2 cornflake tops.
I got credit.
There you go.
I got May.
There you go. English Lit or Lit? There you go.
Lamb tikka, chicken tikka.
And this is our meal for this evening.
We're fighting.
Sorry.
Take away.
Do a rice.
Okay, thanks very much.
Excellent. Okay, thank you very
Lovely.
much indeed. Cheers.
There we go. Traditional Yorkshire Indian meal.
Debbie and Paul.
What do you reckon to this, Alan?
Spot on.
E-by gum, that's champion.
E-by-gum.
Alright.
I don't know, they've been filling the lock up, I think. Okay, we're just waiting to go in a third of 3 locks. And that one boat's got in first, and that lock we've just been through. And Peter's coming back now. We drive it in. They close the gates. And then the water, they let the water out, and the boat goes down. This is the lock which takes it down.
I can't make a commentary on the video. I don't know what to say. Well, don't giggle. They're doing their jobs. Ham. Cheers.
Ah, we've just moored up for lunch, and we're off for lunch. Okay, all right, lights, camera, action. There we go. And we're off up the hill to that pub you can see in the distance. And we're going to cross this very picturesque bridge here. And you can just see Roz just on the top of the bridge waving. A beautiful old cottage here, and next to it is a little restaurant. And there's Jennifer and Peter going up the road, and of course has many country places. Here's a horsey place. An old horse looking out of the stable. There's the girls relaxing in these nice easy chairs, Jennifer. Whilst Peter's ordering away. And Rosie's catching up with the news. And I think Alan's outside, yeah. There's Alan catching the sun. We had too much of the sun last time we were here. A lovely spot, beautiful hills around. And after lunch, Alan's at the helm there. It's beautiful woodland. And that's beautiful, idyllic stretch of river, very nice. Correct. 3 points. Hey, you're getting this, honey. Is it showing up? Is it not too dark?
No, it's okay.
Alright, okay.
No nuts.
So our category got arts or
Science.
Science too. You can stop now, honey, okay?
No, I'm just starting it.
What is the science that deals with fossils called?
Paleontology.
Correct. 3 points.
Oh, smashing it.
No
together.
nuts. Arts.
Are you the quiz master, huh?
I am.
Good morning.
Hi there.
Good day.
Just to show that it's not all plain sailing. It's going crazy today.
Yeah.